My name is Tiksnaji, studying in 3A. Today, I am excited to talk about National Bird Day. It's a day dedicated to celebrating and appreciating our cute little feathered friends. Let's take a moment for recognizing importance of birds in our ecosystem. Pledge to protect their habitats. This winter season is the best time for bird watching, and usually I go birding with my dad. I was fascinated and thrilled to see migratory birds like European beetle, white stork and woolly-necked stork, which travels thousands of kilometers from Europe to here. Birds like varied flycatcher, ultramarine flycatcher, orange-headed thrush and Indian pitta are migrated from Himalaya to our Karnataka. Thank you.